Are you struggling to manage your properties? Managing properties could be challenging. Axolon Property Management software addresses all aspects of running a successful real estate business. Get a complete picture of available units, vacant units, near expiring contracts, and due payments. Keeping the properties in good condition is important, as it brings long-term revenue from each property. With Axolon Facility Management features, facility managers could schedule preventive maintenance works and non-preventive maintenance as they occur. The tenants can request any service from the comfort of their phone, whether it's AC maintenance, plumbing works, or even a bulb change. They could place their convenient time to avoid unexpected visits. Service personnel are notified about the schedules. Replacement items could be requested from the mobile, take pictures, and uploaded to the system. Axolon Facility Management app brings the service team, tenants, and building owners on the same page. With advanced analytical tools, you could get everything you need at your fingertip. Property status, income, and expense reports, financial statements, and many more. Manage your properties effortlessly using Axolon's all-in-one solution. For more details, please contact our team.